In this video, we're going to learn how to write a fraction into its lowest terms. So if we have a problem like this that says write 6/18, so 6 over 18 in lowest terms. So what does that even mean? So first step, lowest terms, means writing the fraction with the lowest possible numerator and denominator. The next step is to find the largest number that divides both into the numerator and denominator. So for example, I know that 2 fits into 6 3 times. 2 also fits into 18 9 times. But that's not the lowest fraction that this could be. So we need to continue looking for the lowest term. After you find the lowest one, divide both the numerator and denominator by that number. So for 6 over 18, the largest number that divides into both 6 and 18 is 6, because 6 divided by 6 equals 1, 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So finally, 6 over 18 equals 1/3 in lowest terms. So that's how you calculate that. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. So you could just rewatch the video.